14. Yeah, Ryan, they put a box out for you guys on its own, and it's 4-8 coming in. How's things over there looking? 658 is still smoking. 656 checks out. 656 is getting hot, as well as 654 is buzzing, and the panel's getting hotter and hotter. We're going to continue walking down the pump. We're just going to shuttle the panels. To 201, you guys are over there, right? It's on line. 10-4, precautionary line. 4-8 coming in to your box. 10-4. 247 to 40. Chief, we put ourselves back on this box with 201, so we can back them up.